हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टेस्ट फोर्थ के जो आंसर्स हैं वो इस प्रकार हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द मोस्ट अबंडेंट कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी इज, करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, ग्लूकोज। टेबल शुगर इज, करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, सुक्रोज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, स्टेनलेस स्टील कंटेन्स, correct answer is iron, nickel and chromium, option B. Question number 4, antipyretics is a drug that, correct answer is option A, lowers the body temperature. Question number 5, people drinking water from a shallow hand pump are likely to suffer from the diseases. Options are cholera, typhoid, jaundice, fluorosis. Correct answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 6. In the process of dialysis used on patient with affected kidneys, the phenomenon involved is, correct answer is C, osmosis. Question number 7. The bacteria responsible for nitrogen fixation is found in the roots of, answer is C, leguminous plants. Rusting of, question number 8. Rusting of iron is an electrochemical process. Option A is correct. Question number 9. Which of the following is used as moderates in nuclear reactors? So graphite भी है, paraffin भी है, heavy water भी है, तो correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 10. Which of the following is present in the largest amount in terms of percentage by mass in the earth crust? Correct answer is silicon. Option A is correct, silicon. Question number 11. One astronomical unit is the average distance between, correct answer is option A, Earth and the Sun. Question number 12. The tendency of a liquid drop to contract and occupy minimum area is due to, correct answer is A, surface tension. It is due to surface tension. Question number 13. Soft drinks such as Coca contain significant quantities of, correct answer is A, caffeine. Question number 14. A small pouch containing silica gel is often found in the bottles of medicines in tablet or powder form because silica gel absorbs moisture. Option C is correct. Question number 15. Which of the following are the objectives of National Nutrition Mission? To create awareness relating to malnutrition among pregnant women and lactating mothers. It is correct. To reduce the incidence of anemia among young children and adolescent girls and women. It is also correct. Option third, to promote the consumption of millets, coarse cereal and unpolished rice. It is wrong. This option is incorrect. And to promote the consumption of poultry eggs. It is also incorrect. So correct answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Question number 16. For the first time, India will host annual G20 summit in, option C is correct, 2022. Question number 17. Ashtadhyayi written by, option A is correct, Panini. It is written by Panini. Question number 18. Which of the following literary works is not written by Kalidas? Question is not written by Kalidas. Malvik Agnimitram, it is written by Kalidas. Meghdutam, it is also written by Kalidas. Swapnavasaddatam, it is not written by Kalidas. And Raghuvamsham is written by Kalidas. So correct answer is option C. Question number 19. Under which of the following organization movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi to register protest against the COVID-19? Options are Indian National Congress Satyagraha Sabha, Congress Khilafat Committee and Swaraj Party. Correct answer is option C, Congress Khilafat Committee. Question number 20. Which of the following observation is not true? क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है not true about the Quit India movement of 1942. Option A is it was a non-violent movement. Yes, it was a non-violent movement. It is true. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. No, it was not led by Mahatma Gandhi. So option B is not true. It was a spontaneous movement. Yes, it was a spontaneous movement. It is true. It did not attracted the labor class. Yes, it is also true. So correct answer is option B. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 21. Quit India movement was launched in response to. Options are Cabinet Mission Plan, Cripps proposals, Simon Commission report, Wavell Plan. Correct answer is option B. Cripps proposals. Question number 22. Mahatma Gandhi said that some of the deepest convictions were reflected in a book titled Unto This Last, and the book transformed his life. What was the message from the book that transformed Mahatma Gandhi? Option is uplifting the oppressed and poor is the moral responsibility of an educated man. Option B is the good of individual is contained in the good of all. So B is correct answer. It was the main theme. The good of individual is contained in the good of all. Question number 23. What was the reason of for Mahatma Gandhi to organize a satyagraha on behalf of the peasants of Kheda? Options statements are the administration did not suspend the land revenue collection in spite of the drought. The administration option statement 2 is the administration proposed to introduce permanent settlement in Gujarat. So this is a wrong option statement. The administration proposed to introduce permanent settlement in Gujarat. Only statement 1 is correct. So correct answer is A, 1 only. Question number 24. Mahatma Gandhi undertook fast unto death in 1932 mainly because. Options are Round Table Conference failed to satisfy Indian political aspiration. It is incorrect. Congress and Muslim League had differences of opinion. It is also incorrect. Ramsay MacDonald announced the communal award. It is the main reason. That's why Gandhiji took fast unto death in 1932. Option C is correct. Question number 25. Who is known as the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose? Options are Chittaranjan Das, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekanand. Correct answer is option A, Chittaranjan Das. Question number 26. Who was defeated by Subhash Chandra Bose in the Indian National Congress President election in year 1939? Correct answer is option D, Patabi Sitaramaiah. Question number 27. Which of the following book is not written by Subhash Chandra Bose? It is asking not written by. Option A is Letters to Mile Sankal. It is correct. An Indian Pilgrim, it is also correct. Dilli Chalo, it is also correct. So option D is none of these is the correct answer. Question number 28. Which of the following is the chief characteristic of mixed farming? Cultivation of both cash crop and food crops? No. Cultivation of 2 or more crops in the same field? It is also incorrect. Rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together. It is called as mixed farming. So option C is. Question number 29. Consider the following crops of India. First is cowpea, second is green gram, pigeon pea. Third one is which of the above is are used as pulses, fodder and green manure. So all three are used as pulse, fodder and green manure. Correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Option D is correct. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Cotton kharif crop है, groundnut also, rice also. Option D is correct. Wheat is a rabi crop. Question number 31. Consider the following statement in regard to Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Statement 1 is it is a centrally sponsored scheme. It is correct. Funding pattern between Government of India and state government is 90-10, 90:10 in the east, northeast states and 3 hilly states of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. It is also correct. Option 3. It is a comprehensive scheme to promote organic farming. Yes, it is a comprehensive scheme to promote organic farming. It is also correct. So correct answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 32. Which among the following is not correct regarding organic farming? Option A, it enhances agro-ecosystem health. Yes, it is correct. It improves soil biological activities. It is also correct. It acts as carbon sequestration. It is also correct. So option D, PM Kusum is a scheme to promote organic farming. It is incorrect because it is a scheme for off-grid solar pumps in the field farms. Question number 33. Sesame is a crop of Rabi, Kharif, Zaid, none of the above. So option A is correct. It is a Rabi crop. Question number 34. The number of agroecological zones in India is 15, 20, 127, 10. 20 agroecological zones in India. So option B is correct. Question number 35. Which one of the following musical instrument is not wind instrument? Bansuri, Mashak, Morchand, Ramanhatta. Option D is correct. Question number 36. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Names of shifting agriculture and the state in which it is practiced. Pondu, Odisha. It is correct. Masha, Himachal Pradesh. It is incorrect. Poonam, Kerala. It is correct. Zoom in Assam. It is also correct. So option B is incorrect. Which of the following leaf modification occurs in the desert areas to inhibit water loss? Waxy hard and waxy leaves. Yes. Tiny leaves. Thorn instead of leaves. So all three are correct. Option D is correct. Question number 38. Which of the following is correctly matched? Nakki Lake. It is a caldera lake. Panchpadra Lake. It is a saline lake. Anna Sagar Lake constructed by Uday Singh. It is wrong. Option third. Anna Sagar Lake constructed by Uday Singh. It is wrong. So correct answer is option A. 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 39. According to Bijolia Rock Edict, Sambal Lake is constructed by Maharaja Jai Singh, Arnoraj, Uday Singh, Vasudev Chauhan. Option D is correct. Vasudev Chauhan. Question number 40. Which is the largest freshwater lake in Rajasthan? Jaisamand Lake, Pichola Lake, Sambal Lake, Pushkar Lake. Option A is correct. Jaisamand Lake. Question number 41. According to soil classification done by USDA, antisols are. Option D is correct. Antisols are sandy soils prevalent in arid and semi-arid regions of Rajasthan. Question number 42. Saline soil is mainly found in. Options are Bikaner, Sriganganagar, both in Bikaner and Sriganganagar, Jaipur. Option C is correct, both in Bikaner and Sriganganagar. Question number 43. Ancient civilization located on the bank of Kantli River. Options are Ahad, Ganeshwar, Sunari, both Ganeshwar and Sunari. Option D is correct, both Ganeshwar and Sunari. Question number 44. Triveni formed at Baneshwar consists of which of the following three rivers? Som, Mahi, Luni, Jakham. So, Triveni formed at Baneshwar consists of Som, Mahi and Jakham. So, option 1, 2, 4 means D is correct answer, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 45. Which among the following is not a tributary of Luni River? Javai, Jojdi, Kukadi and Mithidi. Option C is not an Kukadi is not an tributary of Luni River. Question number 46. Percentage share of inland drainage system in the total drainage system of Rajasthan. Options are 50%, 60%, 10%, 40%. Option B is correct, 60%. 60% share of inland drainage system in the total drainage system of Rajasthan. Question number 47. Which of the following is not correctly matched as per Köppen classification? AW Southern Rajasthan, CWG Northern Rajasthan, BWHW Arid region of Western Rajasthan and BSHW Semi-arid region of Western Rajasthan. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. सो AW आप याद रखिए सदर्न राजस्थान के लिए होता है. BH इंपॉर्टेंट, ये दो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब कैपिटल W होता है तो एरिड रीजन ऑफ वेस्टर्न राजस्थान एंड कैपिटल S होता है तो सेमी एरिड रीजन ऑफ वेस्टर्न राजस्थान. CWG इज ए गंगा प्लेन्स के लिए होता है नॉर्दर्न राजस्थान. सो B इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच. Badland topography is found in question number 48. Badland topography चंबल रीजन्स में होता है, चंबल रिवर के बेसिन में. सो धौलपुर एंड सवाई माधोपुर. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. रिवर बेडच originates from Gogunda Hills. Option A is correct. Question number 50. Large part of Dungarpur and Banswara have Riverina soils, red loamy soils, grey brown alluvial soils and gypsiferous soil. Option B is correct, red loam soil. Question number 51. Match the following. लिस्ट 1 में रिवर्स हैं, लिस्ट 2 में ट्रिब्यूटरी है उनकी. लूनी की ट्रिब्यूटरी होगी जवई, चंबल की पार्वती, बनास के लिए होगी बेडच और माही के लिए होगी जाखम. सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. Biodiversity forms the basis for human existence in the following ways. First one is soil formation, prevention of soil erosion, recycling of waste and pollination of crops. All four are correct. Option D is correct answer. Question number 53. In India, the problem of soil erosion is associated with which of the following? Terrace farming, deforestation, tropical climate. So terrace farming prevents soil erosion. ये prevent करता है terrace farming. So यहाँ पर पूछा in India the problem of soil erosion is associated with. तो terrace farming यहाँ पे आंसर में नहीं होगा. Deforestation, yes, of course, deforestation is associated with the problem of soil erosion. Tropical climate नहीं associated है problem of soil erosion से. Correct option is B only, deforestation. Correct option होगा B, 2 only. Question number 54. As per the India Meteorological Department, definition of severe drought is when the rainfall deficiency, option B is correct, exceeds 50%. Question number 55. Which of the following organization issued notice to Centre, Haryana and Rajasthan is government for massive deforestation in Aravalli in June 2018? Option A is correct, National Human Rights Commission. Question number 56. Which is not a cause of deforestation in Rajasthan? Options are lesser quantity of rainfall, especially in western Rajasthan. Yes, it is a cause of deforestation. Overgrazing is also a cause of deforestation. Changes in land use pattern is also a cause of deforestation. Option B is a cause of deforestation. Stabilization of sand dunes. Question number 57. With which of the following areas of Rajasthan the Ali Bakshi Khayal is associated? Correct answer is C, Alwar. Question number 58. Hansavali, an early work of Rajasthani literature, was written by Asait. Option B is correct. Question number 59. Choose the correct answer in the content of Pahal scheme. It is a first variety of jam. Correct. It transfer LPG subsidy via direct benefit transfer. It is also correct. It directly transfer LPG subsidy into customers' bank accounts. It is also correct. Option D, all of these are true. Question number 60. How much of the Thar desert in India falls in Rajasthan? Options are 40%, 60%, 80%, 90%. Option B is correct, 60%. Question number 61. Which are the chief characteristic of Rajasthan desert? Very high aridity, correct. Extremes of temperature, it is also correct. Low average annual rainfall, yes, it is a characteristic of Rajasthan desert. Poor and scanty vegetation covers, it is also a characteristic. All four are correct. Option D is a correct answer. Question number 62. Kandora ornament is worn on, it is worn on waist. Option D is correct. Question number 63. Where is the Saat Saheliyan temple situated? Option C is correct. It is situated at Jhalrapatan. Question number 64. Rai dance is related with, it is related with Bhil tribe. Option B is correct. Question number 65. Toravati dialect is prevalent in, option D is correct, Jhunjhunu region. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. ऑथर और वर्क्स मैच करने, श्रीधर ने लिखा है 4th वीरमायन, नरपति नल ने लिखा है विजयपाल रासो, नल सिंह ने लिखा है बिसल देव रासो और बदर ने लिखा है रनमल चंद. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. टू विच रीजन इज द फोक सॉन्ग Gogri and Kevda etc. related? These are related with the desert region. Option C is correct. Where is the first victory pillar of Rajasthan located? It is located at Chittorgarh Fort. Option C is correct. Question number 69. Rajasthani song Dhalti Dharori was written by, it is written by Kanhaiyalal Sethia. Option A is correct. Question number 70. मैच करना है folk deity and their relations. Kalaji, evil spirit. Gogaji, snake. He is a snake devta. Karni Mata, rat. And Pabuji, camel. ऊंट रक्षक देवता है ये. गोगाजी स्नेक रक्षक देवता है. Option D is correct answer. Question number 71. The singing tradition with which Gauri Devi was associated. She is associated with Mand. Option B is correct. Question number 72. The dance form related to Garasia tribe is. Option B is correct. Lur. Question number 73. Which of the following statements are true about Vijayadan Detha? Statement 1 is Vijayadan Detha was a famous writer of Rajasthan whose story was adopted as Charan Das Chor play. Vijayadan Detha was a co-founder of Rupayan Sansthan. Both statements are correct. Option C is correct answer, both A and B, 1 and 2. Question number 74. Which among the following is not correctly matched? डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स गिवन है और उनके मैस्कॉट गिवन है. भीलवाड़ा पीकॉक करेक्ट है, चूरू ब्लैक पग करेक्ट है, सवाई माधोपुर रॉन्ग है, लॉयन नहीं होगा, टाइगर होगा इसकी जगह. ऑप्शन सी इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. जैसलमेर का ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड, इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. Rajasthan government has established the first skill university in the state. Where was it established? Correct answer is D, Jaipur. Question number 76. Main objective of Swavlamban Yojana in Rajasthan is to improve the living standard of poor women, widows, separated women and rural women. Option A is correct answer. Question number 77. Who played the role of mediator in Gandhi Evening Pact? Answer B is correct. Tej Bahadur Sapru. Question number 78. Desert Festival is organized every year in which district of Rajasthan? Option A is correct, Jaisalmer. Question number 79. Consider the following statements regarding Mahatma Gandhi Model Village Scheme. Statement 1 is no liquor or tobacco will be sold in the model villages. It is correct. These villages will also target total immunization of pregnant women and children. It is also correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Option C is correct answer. Question number 80. Rajasthan solar generation potential is 130 gigawatt, 142, 140, 150. Option B is correct. It is 142 gigawatt. Question number 81. Rajasthan Solar Energy Policy 2019 aims to achieve a target of dash megawatt solar power project up to 2024-25 in the state. Option 1 is correct. 30,000 मेगावाट सोलर पावर टारगेट है राजस्थान सोलर एनर्जी पॉलिसी 2019 का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. एज पर द इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी 2019 डिस्प्यूट रेसोल्यूशन मैकेनिज्म कंसिस्ट ऑफ हाउ मेनी लेवल्स? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 लेवल. Question number 83. Which of the following is a component of Rajasthan Industrial Policy 2019? Option A is Industry 4.0. Option B is Environmental Protection and Sustainable Industrial Development. Option C is Balanced Regional Industrial Development. Option D is all of the above are the component. So Industry 4.0, yes it is. Environment Protection and Sustainable Industrial Development, it is also a component. Balanced Regional Industrial Development, it is also a component. Option D is correct. All of the above. Question number 84. Rajasthan Investment Promotion Scheme 2019 came into effect from 17 December 2019 and shall remain into force up to. Option A is correct. It will be remain in force up to 31st March 2026. Question number 85. Goal 6 of Sustainable Development Goal is option D is correct, clean water and sanitation. Question number 86. In Sustainable Development Goal India Index 2.0, Rajasthan has been ranked as with the index score of 57. Option A is correct. Rajasthan has been ranked as performer with the index score of 57. Question number 87. Which are the top 2 districts in Sustainable Development Goal Rajasthan Index? Option B is correct, Jhunjhunu and Jaipur. Question number 88. Sustainable Development Index score for Achiever category is option A is correct, 100. Question number 89. The most critical area identified in the Sustainable Development Report 2019 is option D is correct, climate change. Question number 90. The fiscal deficit to gross state domestic product in 2019 without Uday was option A is correct, 3.66%. Question number 91. Which sector has been given maximum budget for 2019-20 in Rajasthan? Option C is correct, social and community services. Question number 92. First state in India to formulate a policy for build, operate, transfer projects to facilitate the entry of private sector in the road sector is Rajasthan. Option B is correct. Question number 93. India's first annual war memorial is located at option A is correct, Meerut. Question number 94. Who was the chief guest of the Republic Day to 26th January 2020? Option A is correct, Brazil के प्रेसिडेंट Jair Messias Bolsonaro. Option A is correct answer. Question number 95. Who among the following awarded Sahitya Akademi Award 2019? Dr. Nand Kishore Acharya and Ram Sarup Kisan. So option C is correct answer, both A and B. Question number 96. Recently 10 wetlands of India were added to Ramsar list, making total Ramsar wetlands in India. Option D is correct. Now total wetland Ramsar sites in India are 37. Question number 97. ISRO astronaut training hub will be established at option B is correct answer, Chalkere. Question number 98. 107th Indian Science Congress was held at option D is correct, Bangalore. Question number 99. Recently uranium mining started at which place in Rajasthan? Correct answer is A, Khandela. Question number 100. For Bal Shakti Award 2020, who was awarded from the state of Rajasthan? Hrideshwar Singh Bhati. Option B is correct answer. आप अपना स्कोर जरूर शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.